Metapixel integration with Beacons.ai allows you to track user actions on your Beacons.ai page and use that data for ad optimization on Facebook and Instagram. As of late 2025, Beacons.ai offers a streamlined, one-click pixel connection, eliminating the need for custom coding. First, obtain your Pixel ID from Meta Business Manager. Access your Meta Business Manager and navigate to data sources greater than pixels. Next, in your Beacons.ai dashboard, navigate to Integrations and select Meta Pixel. Paste your Pixel ID and choose the events you want to track, such as page views, link clicks, or form submissions. Use Beacons.ai's Event Builder for custom events on specific links, like Buy Now buttons. Finally, test your setup using Meta's Pixel Helper browser extension to ensure data is flowing correctly. Make sure your Beacons.ai page uses HTTPS for secure data transmission. With the integration complete, users integrating Pixel have seen benefits like a 25% improvement in tracking accuracy and a 22% increase in ad-driven sales. Once connected, MetaPixel tracks user actions as events. Beacons.ai automatically maps standard events like page view and lead. You can also create custom events to track specific actions on your Beacons AI page. To improve accuracy, especially with ad blockers, consider implementing Meta's Conversion API for server-side tracking. Remember to comply with privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA by including consent banners for user data collection. A key best practice is to regularly monitor Meta's API policies for any changes that might affect the integration. By integrating MetaPixel, you enable retargeting, create lookalike audiences, and measure the ROI of your marketing efforts effectively. Success stories show users tracking a 250% increase in purchase events and significant improvements in ad spend efficiency.